All right, this is a review of the 7-piece patio dining set. We decided to go for the black wicker and wood. Since summer is coming up, we wanted to switch it up in the backyard, and as you can tell, this looks great back here. I've got this dining piece that we've added here on the top, but it's 7 pieces. It comes with 6 chairs and a nice big table, which is perfect if you have a big family that wants to eat outside in the summer. I've had this for a little over a month, and the build quality on this is great. It was really easy to put together. You can see here the black wicker. It looks really nice, and the table itself is extremely sturdy. Pretty hard to move this. The seats have a nice base, so you're not gonna have any chance of falling over on these. Comfortable padded cushions, pretty firm, not too soft where you're sinking into the middle of the seat. This patio set is great and will look great in probably any backyard.